Hello everybody, it's Sarah here and I'm so excited to share with you the final unboxing for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft for 2018. This is one of the 2 December kits you can get and this is a Christian themed collection and it's so beautiful. So I'm just going to share, I've already taken everything out of the box so it's easy to share. And I'll start with the paper collection. So this is the Oh Holy Night paper collection by Echo Park. You get 2 of each sheet. So to begin with, sorry, let's get that out of the way there. To begin with, you have some 3x4 inch journal cards with a plaid print on the back. Next we have some 4x6 inch journaling cards with a holly wreath print there. Next we have some 4-inch journaling cards, they're the square ones. And on the back is a different kind of plaid. Then there's some border strips. It's just so pretty, there's Bethlehem in the bottom there. The Nativity, it's beautiful. And on the back is angels. For the next sheet we have Mary and Joseph, as well with Jesus, as well as the shepherds and the 3 wise men and Jesus in the manger. And on the back is a star pattern. So these are beautiful, they're very like sort of neutral toned, which is nice. Then we have a starry night and a red sort of snowflake pattern. And lastly, we have this sticker page here. So these are all stickers that are already pre-cut. You just have to take them off the backing and they're so beautiful and they feel really, really smooth. They're really high quality. So they are gorgeous. So that is all of the papers, and then we have some gorgeous embellishments and things to play with. So this is a Christmas angel stamp. Then we get some Inca gold paint. It's a really rich color, so I'm so excited to use that. There is some Christmas bling, like ribbon on a roll. There is some Nuvo Desert Sunset Stars confetti. They're so sparkly and beautiful, and there's so many in there. They would make perfect shakers. Then we have some Dress It Up Holiday Collection embellishments here. These are 3D hard embellishments. We have a Tim Holtz star stencil. We have an Aunty Vera gold star washi tape.
You spawned inside with it, or is that a glitch?
And finally, we have some Kaiser Craft die cuts, the first Noel collection. You get a bunch of different die cuts there and they match perfectly. So that is our entire box there. Thank you so much, Vera, for this final box. It's all beautiful. I can't wait to make some Christmas crafts with this, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.